Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this slide and what we are going to create. You see it's look pretty amazing. Let's try to create that. Okay, let's try to create that. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide we need this text, that is simple text that I created. Use the shape format, and in the shape format you can find this thing here. And also for the font I'm using Overdrive Sunset. And after that we need these three things that are all white. And after creating them we are going to use something more special, a rectangle here, and send it to back, reduce its size and align its center. Okay, now I'm going to color this thing purely black with no outline, and copy this slide and increase its size. Okay, it's great, but we need to create another slide too. We need to reduce its size to here, and after reducing its size you need to make it no fill and bring it to the middle and to front and increase the size. Now just set the transition of the slide to morph. Your slides are ready. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.